Hey everyone, Broker Bill back with you. This week's question comes up on almost every single tour. Bill, should we build new or buy resale? So let's settle it once and for all. Sure, new construction has real advantages. You pick the floor plan, you pick the finishes, everything's under warranty, top to bottom, no 30-year-old roof surprises. And in a lot of our communities, that means brand new clubhouses, brand new amenities, built for exactly how you want to live. But remember last week when we talked about the capital contribution fee? $12.25 at Red Mill Pond, over $7,500 at Coastal Club. Those bigger one-time fees tend to show up more in newer developer-run communities. Plus, you're often waiting months to move in, sometimes longer. Now resale. Landscaping's already grown in, the community's already established. You can see exactly what your neighbors look like, not a rendering, the real thing. Often the HOA has been running for years, so the fee history is a known number, not a guess. And you could typically move in fast. But you inherit what's there: the roof age, the HVAC age, the water heater age, no builder warranty bailing you out if something goes in a year or two. So which one is right? Honestly, it depends on your number one priority. Speed and predictability. Resale, full customization and lowest maintenance risk early on. New construction. There's no universally right answer here. Only the right answer for you. That's exactly the conversation our agents have every single week, community by community. We'll walk the numbers, the timelines, the trade-offs, so you're deciding with real information, not just a gut feeling. For Christine, Doug, King, the team, and myself, let's go get you the real answer. Reach out to one of our pros today. Thanks for tuning in to Broker Bill's, and let's go get it. See you later. Bye.